Yo, what's up, guys?
What's going on?
Yeah, so I just pulled up to Seaworks Collision here in Rancho Cordova, and I have not seen the NSX yet, but it's completely 99% done.
About 90.
90%.
Yes,
Okay.
it's 99. Yes, I'm just
Okay, so it's about 90% done on the NSX, and I'm gonna take a look at it.
Yes, yes.
Let's go. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Here we go. Wow.
Don't worry, I'll make it surprise.
And these are Kevin? You said this is the mirrors for the NSX. So you're gonna go red?
Yeah, for red.
I've seen cars like that.
Yeah, but fiber carbon outside.
Oh, I get it.
And
Oh,
just later red, show.
yes, very nice.
Don't worry, I got the new style.
Dude,
man.
where did you buy the carbon piece?
Huh? I'm gonna have
Wrap?
Imperial wrap
yes.
for me.
Okay.
Imperial.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have Imperial wrap for me, cover up to here. Just so a little bit red, cause
Yeah, it shows a
my
little
car
trim.
have too much red, black.
Got it, got it. Wow, looks amazing. Looks good.
You didn't make no mistake.
Yeah, no mistake. Yes.
No mistake. No run, bro. Especially black.
Yeah, very nice. So clean. And then the exhaust is next.
Exhaust and fiber carbon.
Yeah.
I have to wait 2.5 months to get it.
No.
On the rear diffuser. Custom
Yeah.
made for me.
Okay. Oh, clean. Looks good here. So this is the hood that was carbon fiber, and it's painted on the outside, but carbon fiber in the inside. Carbon fiber on the inside, and the hood's been painted black. Looking good. Carbon fiber front lip. Nice. The side skirts here, new side skirts.
What's the app, the deal like that?
Hey guys, this is the NSX's, the mirrors is painted red. The car is almost done. There's the front lip, carbon fiber. The hood was carbon fiber, painted black, but the inside has carbon fiber accents on the inside. The side skirts are put in. These are new side skirts. The car is looking clean. But these are the mirrors for the NSX is painted red. But it's not done yet, so it's not gonna be all red. So you guys gotta stay tuned for that.
Best painter in Sacramento.
The best painter in Sacramento. He came from Diamond Auto,
Yes.
and now he has his own shop here, Seaworks Collision. But the NSX is coming along. It's almost done, you guys. So it's about 90% done.
Anybody I know that need paint. The best.
Seaworks Collision, come through anytime. Yes. I love cameras.
Best service, best work. It's the best service.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Seaworks and checking up on the NSX. It's been a few days, and the last time that when I was here, the cars was still getting the pieces put together. The mirrors was painted, but it wasn't put on. So I'm back at Seaworks here, and I'm gonna check up on it. And so far, the mirrors, everything's been put together.
Everything's all together. We're just waiting on the final touch, cut, and buff, and we're getting so close. Yes.
So the mirrors on the car. It was painted red,
Yes.
and the spoiler's not on yet.
Not on yet until we buff it, and then we'll put that final piece later after.
Okay, the car's looking fresh. Last time I saw it.
So it's right outside in our garage, and
Okay, you guys want to go check it out? Stay tuned.
okay, guys. So let's check out the NSX. It's right over here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow, looks good. Look at this, looking fresh. the mirrors are red, but it's gonna get wrapped black. Like in this area, it's gonna get wrapped black, and just like maybe a little bit of red trims that's gonna be showing. But all the pieces are together. The spoiler's not on yet, but we'll see how it looks like. Okay, put on the spoiler, we'll take a look. That big wing there. Don't scratch it. Yeah, be careful, don't scratch it. The wing is red. It's red to match the red mirrors. I have a friend. Hey, buddy. Good. It's coming together. The interior, the door panels, everything's put back together. Looking good. And there you have it, you guys. And there you have it. Almost done. That's the big wing there. Alright guys, that's another episode of this NSX. It's almost done. And as you guys saw, the mirrors were put on, they're painted red. The spoilers, the big wing has been painted red on the sides. And that'll be put on in a few days.
Yes.
And it's gonna get cut and buffed.
Yes,
and it should be done.
For it to get cut and buff, and that's it.
I hope you guys like what you see. You guys stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, I'll see you guys.
Thank you.